Hey guys, what's up? Happy Wednesday, or should I say, what's up? It's What's Up Wednesday. So go to your TikTok, guys, for the Spirit Week, and please show me your best What's Up. I've already posted mine. My daughter wants to post one later, and I might even get my shy son to post one later. You never know. But today we are shifting away from our translations, reflections, and rotations review, and we're going to get back into our angle pair relationships and look at what that is, which means we're going to be looking at some supplementary angles, okay? And all a supplementary angle is angles that are created when a straight line is bisected or intersected. Bisected is just a fancy term for intersected, basically. Intersected by another angle. And these two angle measures here, so we'll call this angle 1 and angle 2. Angle 1 would be the obtuse variety of it. Okay, those two angles add up to 180 degrees every time. That's the rule, because this entire thing adds up to 180. So when you split it in two, the sum of its parts still have to equal 180. That's what a supplementary angle is, and that's all we're going to be working on today is supplementary angles. I got a couple tasks for you guys to work through on that, but let's just look at a few of these real quick. So let's say, so basically what a supplementary angle says would be that angle 1 plus angle 2 equals 180 degrees. Okay, so let's say then we have this straight line that's not so straight right here, and we're going to bisect it right there, and we're going to say that this guy is 60 degrees, and we want to know what x, the measure of angle x, would equal. Okay, so how I would do that is I would take this supplementary angle and I would go angle x plus 60 has to equal 180, and that's my foundation of my supplementary angles. This angle plus that angle equals 180. And now I'm just going to solve for angle x. So I'm going to do what I do every time when I solve. I'm going to move my 60 by taking its opposite, because now that's 0. What I do to one side of the equation, I have to do to the other. So now I'm left with angle x by itself over here, and 180 minus 60 is 120 degrees, and that's what angle x would have to equal, is 120 degrees. So that's how I solve problems, and you really don't see problems that get too much more complex than that. Supplementary is supposed to be like a way for you to quickly solve. A lot of you could probably look at this and be like, well, if that's 60 degrees, that has to be 120 because they equal 180, and you're not doing the math part of it. That's fine. If your brain can see that, use that. Be careful. Don't get overconfident with that. Make sure that you're checking your work. But if you have to do this every time, it's really hard not to get it right. If you're going mentally, what I see is I see lots of mistakes. What ends up happening, the most common mistake is you guys will add this up to 140 and get to 200 degrees because 180 is sometimes just kind of a weird number. That's the straight line. So that's all you're going to be working on today. Again, please do the Spirit Week. I'm still appreciating the emails. I was waiting for the right time to bring this out, so I'm just going to do it now. Brogan, love the song request. I'm guessing you're getting tired of my public service announcements one, so Brogan decided to request a math one, which I can happily do whenever you guys want to hear math songs put to different things. This was a fun one for me. So Brogan, you're probably the only one that's going to know what the song is unless you're in my 5th period and you hear him playing it constantly as we're walking out on the computers. I always thought that was funny, but it's a great song. I love good throwback songs. So this is for Brogan. You got to give me a second to set up. There we go. In case you guys want to get those lyrics down. And I know I'm not on the screen, but I got to get my music set up for you guys. So thank you for being patient. Let's go. Here we go. Make sure I'm turned up all the way real quick. Okay. I got to get into character for this one, guys, so deal with it. I checked my math last night. Straight lines. Angle measure 180. Bisected by a line that measures 1 AD. I wish it was easy to spot these lines and see their measures so easily. When you got a straight line. And I see you're working with a straight line, looking for the angles that fit on the inside. You notice they all add to 180. Oh no, 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 they're supplementary. Supplementary, all the angles add up to 180. And I see you're working with a straight line, looking for the angles that fit on the inside. You notice they add up to 180. Oh, no, no, they're supplementary. Supplementary, all the angles add up to 180. Yes, all the angles add up to 180. Woo! Ha! Thank you guys for indulging me. Have a good one, Brogan. Great request.